Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you this massage technique to fix droopy eyelids. I hope this video will definitely help make your face look better. Please watch this video till the end. Let's start. First step, massage from the head of the eyebrow to the tail of the eyebrow 10 times. Second step, use the palm, press on the eyebrow and push the tail of the eyebrow up 10 times. Third step, use your middle finger and ring finger, massage your eye and lift the tail of the eyebrow 10 times. Fourth step, use your fingers and lift your both eyebrows like this. Fifth step, massage your both eyes using ring and middle finger, then lift your eyebrows. 6th step, massage your both eye corners using ring finger left to right and right to left. Seventh step, cool down the muscles around the eyes. Eighth step, use your palm and press on the eyebrow and push the tail of the eyebrow. Do this 4 times of a week. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon with next video.